Yeah.
We're back. He's back. I'm back.
But your girl's not.
All of this is back.
She's gone.
Touche.
With her tender nipples. We are reacting to Lil Baby Merch Madness. I would have thought March, but okay.
Yeah, it's Merch Madness.
Let's see.
It's gonna be a banger.
Yeah. Like that other guy in yoga.
Oh. All right. So listen, this is the last day of school like no other. Because this is a very special day. First and foremost, this is part of Fanatics Global Volunteer Day. So when I say today is special, and we're ending your school year like no other, this is what it's about. Congratulations on finishing up the school.
This better be Uma's.
No, it's not.
Frederick. So it's not.
No, this is Frederick Douglass Academy. It's Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey.
Oh.
Yeah.
You just had to add Marcus.
It's FDMGS.
And let's get ready for some Fanatics Merch Madness. Alright?
Is it just me, or after Drake shot God's Plan, like videos kind of took this direction?
Let's do it for the community thing.
Not necessarily the community, but the style. Like there was less studio shoots. Now it's
they started
kids
embracing being celebrities.
Yeah, like that.
That's what I
mean.
Being celebrities.
There was less and less studio shoots, and more like shooting with kids, and just.
But at least at least Lil Baby is. It's happening. Like he's growing.
Yeah, but they were
coming onto
his
himself.
latest track I saw on Twitter.
So yeah, let's hope there's gonna be growth. There's not gonna be any killings, any ops being spoken of.
Let's see.
It's gonna be about uplifting. It's Frederick Douglass. Come on.
What is Kennedy?
Merch Madness out into the globe. Jump back in my daddy, this one for the culture. Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over. They see how I live now, I can't forget the feeling.
By the way, I think charity is one of the biggest scams, but that's a talk for another day.
My daddy in the ground, my mama independent.
I can relate. See, this is growth. This is growth.
Just because of Guavire.
This is growth. No, but at least he's
yeah, it's something new. I get what you subject matter. Yes.
You see, like let's go.
It's
the baby.
Reason behind the madness.
Like I was not a fan of the baby, but now I think I'm gonna be.
Little baby.
They're all babies to me. That's not the baby.
I can't wait
till
he becomes the adult.
That's not the baby.
I'm waiting for him to become the adult.
Fuck. I just jinxed it. I call him the baby. Fuck. Okay, cool. Oh, here's a billionaire who sandwiched him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's Marco, whatever. He partook in that sandwich.
That's why! With your back turned against him.
I think he was the one in the front.
Took it face to face.
But at least he's still...
What you do, John Mongrel? I look into your eyes.
I want him to look at me face to face.
I'm the man.
I'm the man. I want him to look at me face to face.
Motherfucker, just say it.
I gotta get back, I got every reason. When they team me every season. In the streets, I let them see me. Let the kids know they can be one. Lawyers, doctors, artists, you ain't gotta rap or make you D1. Build up a foundation you can stand on, just grow up and be some. I took what they gave me and went way farther. I conquered every obstacle and every...
Oh, but what I've noticed when it comes to like the newer generation, when it comes to like raps, when they become melodic, they become off key. Like they flow. I don't know, man. It's like
I don't know. Thing is,
it's like the lines don't fit into the
people
bars.
say it's melodic rap, but for me, like rappers have never been melodic since Drake.
Yeah, that's true.
Like Drake could sing, like Drake can sing.
No, not necessarily sing. I mean rap in a melodic manner, like.
No, I know what you mean. Like
for instance, Nate Dogg on what that track, like in Warranty.
Nobody does it better. Or the other one.
The one with Warren G.
Dude,
Regulate.
dude. Yeah, regulate.
Just
They
hit the
both have
hit side of the LBC, you know, something like. But thing is, it's like the lines don't fit into the bars. That's my problem.
Looking through a lens, might think my life perfect. God gave me a gift and it came with a purpose. Merge madness out into the globe. Jump back in my bag, this one for the culture. Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over. Merge madness out into the globe. Jump back in my bag, this one for the culture.
It's weird how rappers suddenly become friends with billionaires. Like, I've always found that weird.
I always find it weird when dumb rappers become friends with billionaires and then they posting online talking about, tell me what to invest in. Like that other rapper who used to beef with Drake.
Tell me what to invest in is hilarious.
It's like asking his fans what he should invest in.
Invest
Like,
in me, bitch.
You're
Invest
friends
in
with
me.
billionaires.
Invest in me.
Like you're friends with billionaires. Why the hell are you asking regular people what you should invest in? That's weird.
Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over. It was rough, but I made it happen. I came up, but I'm still at it. Real chase, baby. Business with fanatic. This like 20 million on a giveaway. 20 buses, 20 cities, stadium to stadium. See, they idols giving back.
Do you see his shows got cancelled?
Yeah, but
They're not selling tickets.
yeah, they are.
Damn, that's sad.
He is. Yeah, but at least this is about growth. It's not about that negative shit. It's
No,
about
I'm
growth.
commenting on the lines.
The 20 million, 20 buses, and
20 buses, 20 cities. He said he's selling tickets. That's what he said.
Get my bag, this one for.
but he didn't say how many tickets.
It could have been 3.
Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over. It was rough, but I made it happen. I came up, but I'm still at it. Real chase, baby. Business with fanatic. This like 20 million on a giveaway. 20 buses, 20 cities, stadium to stadium. See, they idols giving back to them, making people go crazy. I get paid when I appear. To do this, I volunteer. This is not a one-time thing. It gets better every year. A lot of people poured a lot of screens just to make this happen. Real people really do exist, but they might call me March Madness out into the globe. Jump back in my bag, this one for the culture. Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over. Merge madness out into the globe. Jump back in my bag, this one for the culture. Ain't too good to kill, my cup been running over. Made these millions for the kids, I gotta turn it over.
Thing is, this track is not distinct. Like like when the hook comes back, it catches you by surprise.
Listen, man, no one has ever accused Lil Baby of being a great artist. No one has ever accused him of
No, I'm
being
just
that.
saying. It's like I'm listening to the verse, and I'm like, oh shit, we're back to the hook. Then, like
Yeah,
there's
that's
no-
what I'm saying. No one has ever accused him of being a great artist. It's just, I'm personally not a fan for that reason that I like my hooks to stand out. I like the verses, like, we gon' be alright.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, something that, yeah. but-
punctuation you can hear.
Yeah, like, yeah, and I like my rappers to talk like you have a dick.
Cojones.
Nigga.
Cojones.
Nigga.
You
No,
castrated piece of shit.
but I get the appeal. Like, I honestly, I
What in
understand the
the
appeal.
Roman church is going on? Eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With it. Talk like you have some bass in
What
your
in the
voice.
Catholic church?
Like, talk like you have some bass in your voice.
I still find it insane, like that they would castrate the boys in Catholic churches because they didn't want their voices to break because they're the ones that they sang at church. They have a bunch of 12-year-olds running around with empty nutsacks.
I could have gone an entire lifetime and not worried about anything if I never heard that.
Yes, but welcome to the
That's
real
so
world.
dark. Jesus Christ. But anyways, yeah, I get the appeal. I understand the appeal. Like,
Everything in this, it makes sense. Like the song and the video, it makes sense.
it makes sense.
The lyrics, yeah.
He's not, yeah, he's okay, man.
He did the best that he could.
Nah, he's done better in terms
I'm
of
talking in terms of this track.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, I get the appeal.
What the fuck is this?
It's an earring.
No, it's not an earring, man.
It's in what?
It's in his hair. Fusak. Anyway, that was that. Don't forget to like, comment any video you'd like us to react to, watch.
Yeah.
Hit the subscribe. Subscribe.
And comment.
Not,
Oh yeah,
yes,
I
send love,
saw-
blow kisses, send money. We love money over here.
Yeah. Look at you being a bad bitch.
It's called being a man and providing for a family, but you can't relate. Hey, I want that one. But in any case, anything you'd like for us to push, match, you know, could do some new stuff, you know. We can push a brand.
He pushes merch. I don't. That shit is stupid as hell. Because most of you motherfuckers cannot dress. You are not dressing me in some pink.
Yeah, I'm be mine, of course, yeah.
Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay.
Bank statement ingaka.
I'll tap dance for you.
Ngathi sleeps as a
I'll tap dance for you. For a while. For fee. For fee. Just know that the money
Anything
is not
you'd
be
like
the
for us
same.
to push, will work. Siyaqhasa, let's work together.
We're not.
The good guys.
The money's not gonna be the same.
Ding.
We don't get paid as a team. We get paid separate. So the money's gonna be different.
He's not on the books. Get paid under the table. Yeah, anyway, yeah, sharp.